Make a great choice today with the 2015 M3. Taking the already regarded BMW 3 Series, the M version has been taken to new heights. The M letter stands for the company's motorsports performance division and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, CD player, heated front seats. Come take a test drive today.